In this video, I'll show you how to use Create for Social, a new way to turn your SnapStream clips into ready-to-post social content without ever leaving SnapStream. First, I'm going to set some in and out points, and I now have this new option in the clip dropdown. So I'm going to select Create for Social. First, you choose a layout. Auto detect is on by default and will automatically track the speaker in your clip, keeping them centered as they move so you don't have to crop anything by hand. If you'd like, you can also set the layout manually. Choose between these three options. We do recommend that you keep auto detect on for the best results. Next, let's add some captions. You can pick from one of our caption style presets, or you can customize things yourself, selecting between the font, the size, the colors. I'm going to make this a little bigger just so I can see it better. And then I can also drag and drop my captions and put them wherever I want them to end up on my clip. Want to add a title card or a quick call out? That's the text overlay tool. Type your text and choose from one of our preset styles. I'm going to put in some text here. And I think I'm going to choose this style. The same as before with the captions, you can also drag and drop depending on where you'd like this to be on your clip. Of course, this is just a preview. When your clip is actually done, it will be fully rendered and won't be blurry. So once you've got things the way that you like, you can click the clip button, which is going to kick off all the normal SnapStream clipping steps, but it will also use AI to do a reframe and to apply captions and those text overlays. For a minute-long clip, we would expect your clip to take between 3.5 to 5 minutes, but you don't have to stay on this page. You can go create new clips. You can watch other recordings. You can navigate away. And whenever your clip is complete, you'll get a notification letting you know that it's done. All right, and once your clip is complete, you can click this new review and share button, which is going to give you a preview. You can play it back to double check, and also you can edit your captions if necessary. So you can change up a word, or all the words, many words if you'd like to, and then hit this apply changes and reprocess button. So this is going to take about another 45 seconds to finish and reprocess. It's not starting it all over again, it's just editing the caption, so it's a lot faster than the first clip because that first clip was doing all the clipping steps plus the reframe, etc. So I'd expect about 45 seconds to a minute here to finish this re-render of the captions. While we're waiting, you can also do a share to any of the social media accounts that you have connected, or click this download button, which allows you to download the 9x16, 16x9, or download both at the same time. Once this clip is done, it'll be ready to go. And that's it, from clip to social ready video without opening another app.